Welcome to my kitchen today. I'm Vicki, and I'm going to share with you a quick and easy Grande Queso Blanco dip. Now, I'm just having a little tough day today. I decided to turn the camera on and do a little cooking. I'm headed to a memorial service for a friend of mine who was very special. As a matter of fact, she was one of the guinea pigs. And I just need to feel better before I head out. So I thought I'd share with you what I was cooking. I look taller. I've got shoes on. Okay, let's get cooking. And I'm gonna do this really quick and really easy. I start out with shredded cheese. And this is 16 ounces of Monterey Jack and white American. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in and let it start melting. A cup of half and half. You can use, if you're doing keto and you're not going to have it sitting around long, you can use whipping cream. I don't mind a few extra carbs in this, simply because it makes a large dish and you're not getting that many carbs. So I've got 16 ounces, 8 ounces each of white American and Monterey Jack. And then I'm going to put a cream cheese in. Where's my scissors when I need them? Put a block of cream cheese in. It helps get a good melt on it. And then we're going to add the other things that make it the grande. One of the things that I like to do is roast my jalapeno peppers. So I've got 4 roasted jalapeno peppers that the seeds and the veins have been taken out of. And I'm just going to chop it. Let's do a little bit finer chop. And we're going to chop some bacon. This is 5 pieces of bacon. Everything's better with bacon. That's 5 pieces of bacon. And then about a pound of sausage. And I'm using a rock crock and slow cooker base. So I can take it in this and plug it in and it'll stay warm. I forgot to mention, we're having lunch together. So I like to get the sausage chopped up pretty fine. And like I said, that's about a pound of sausage. And most of this was already cooked last night, so it's easy throwing it together today. And about a half a can of Rotel. You can use whatever you like, whether you like mild, medium. I like to use medium or hot, and because I like the chilies in it, and the tomatoes are diced up. So I'll just put that in there. We'll come back in a minute when it's all melted. Y'all, I put just a little bit more half and half in it because it needed to be thinned down a little bit. Cheeses from different companies melt differently, and so do cream cheeses, block cheeses and cream cheese. So I'm going to dress it a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of sausage on the top. And I kept out a little bit of the tomatoes. A little bit more sausage. It's looking pretty. And finishing touch, I always put some chimichurri on the top. So I'm gonna put it around, and then I'll mix it in when I get there. The chimichurri is a perfect finishing touch to this. My son actually introduced me to this. I've turned this down on low. I had it on high, melting the cheeses, and turn it down on low, and I'm fixing to turn it off, put the lid on it, and be ready to go. Okay, I'm all packed up, and I'm ready to go. And this will still be warm by the time I get home, and I'll take it over to my friend's house and turn it on, and we'll enjoy it this afternoon. As I always tell you, give someone your beautiful smile today. It makes you feel good inside, and you know, you just could make somebody's day. Today, it's especially coming from my heart. It's actually my friend that we lost. It's actually where that saying came from. One day, a while back, she gave me a big hug. And she said, "Your smiles made my day today." And I hugged her back, and I said I needed it too. Smiling makes me feel good inside. And I made somebody's day. You can make that impact on somebody else's life. Just remember to give someone your beautiful smile. This one's for you, girl.